Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. In today's video, I'm gonna do a bloom, an oblong bloom, long one, and I'm gonna blow it out, and then I'm gonna stretch it and modify it. So I think it's a 6 by 12 canvas, so long, narrow. So come and join me and let's see how it goes. Hi everyone. I'm gonna do my little marble experiment on a tile. So what I want to do is just lay down some white. This is Artist Loft Floetrol. And I'm just gonna pour it off, let it run to the sides so it's not too thick. Let's tilt it back so it's even. All right, I'm gonna try the puddle one again. I've got like a turquoisey teal color. These are old paints that I mixed a while ago, so I don't have exact colors. But anyway, you can see that this is a teal. I have Prussian blue. This is a light blue, permanent light blue by Basics. Prussian blue, and this is a brilliant blue. And then I have some copper. So lots of blues. I think I'll put this down first. I gotta fill up my water bottle. I'm gonna do 3 colors, 3 circles. One big one right here. Okay. Now, the light blue. I like experimenting on a small tile for color choices, and I don't waste a lot of paint if I don't like the colors. I'll put some bronze. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to put this teal down. I think I just have one more blue and that's it. And then I'll just all right. I use my little marble. This is so cool. Okay, I want to go down here a little bit. There. That worked out pretty good. So I'm getting the idea now. I think the trick is to make sure your underneath paint is not too thick, like not too thick that it's not going to let the marble run or move. And yeah, all the paints. So let me just give this a spin. What do you think? Should I do some more or should I leave it? I want to run the marble through it again. Should I or shouldn't I? I'll probably wreck it. No, I think I'm just going to leave it. Simple is best. And you can always take a skewer, I guess, and add more if you want. Stop playing with it. Okay, I guess that's enough because I'm getting too much to come off there. There. I think I'm going to stop. Let's see if I can lift it up. The marble does all the work for you. So cool. There you go. Give it a try. Give it a try on a small tile first. All right, have a good day, everyone. Come back to Carol's Art Room. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll put it dried at the end. Hi, everybody. Here's my little tile. Dried really good. Nice and smooth. Just very simple. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.